Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the proposal. In our previous session, we came to know that Lomo expressed his desire to marry Chubuko's daughter, Natalia Stepanova. Hearing that, Chubuko became very happy. Still, Lomo had doubt that whether Natalia would agree for that proposal or not. Chubuko comforted him by telling Natalia would agree for that proposal. She was just like a lovesick cat and she would agree for that proposal. After that, Chubuko left that place in order to call Natalia Stepanova. Now let's continue the lesson. Lomo, it's cold. I'm trembling all over, just as if I had got an examination before me. Now Lomo is talking to himself, or he is thinking. It's cold. I'm trembling all over. It's cold. I'm trembling. Trembling means shaking. My whole body is shaking. Just as if I had got an examination before me. When a child has examination, when it is about to write an examination, there will be a kind of nervousness. Such feeling he is getting, Lomo is getting, because Natalia is about to come, he is about to propose her. That's why there is a kind of nervousness. The great thing is, I must have my mind made up. He is thinking to be determined. If I give myself time to think, to hesitate, to talk a lot, to look for an ideal or for real love, then I will never get married. He is thinking this is right time. I have to make up my mind. I have to take a firm decision. If I give myself time to think, if I take long time to think, or to hesitate means delay or reluctant to do or say something. To talk a lot, if I talk a lot. To look for an ideal, or else if I look for an ideal wife, ideal girl to marry, or real love, or if I search for real love, then I will never get married. Then I will never get married. But it's cold. Natalia Stepanova is an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated. Now he thinks about the qualities of Natalia Stepanova. She is an excellent housekeeper. She looks after house very well. Not bad looking means she is very good looking girl. Along with that, she is well educated. What's more do I want? More than this, what is required to marry her? But I am getting a noise in my ears from excitement. Then he gets some noise in his ears because of excitement. And it's impossible for me to not to marry. In the first place, I am already 35, a critical age, so to speak. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. And he thinks that it is impossible for him to not to marry. He must marry. In the first place, I am already 35, a critical age, so to speak. Already he is 35 years old and it is critical age. If he miss now, in future, he will never get a girl to marry. In the second place, I ought to lead a quiet and regular life. And second thing is that he wants to marry. After that, he wants to lead a quiet and regular life. So marrying a girl now is very important for him. I suffer from palpitations. I am excitable and always getting fully upset. And he has another problem, that is palpitation. Palpitation means, see here, fast beating of heart. Okay. He has that problem. He was suffering from palpitation. I am excitable. He used to get excited and always getting fully upset. And his mood used to change all of a sudden. Okay. He was always getting upset, fully upset, very upset. At this very moment, my lips are trembling and there is a twitch in my right eyebrow. Then he feels that his lips are trembling, lips are shaking, and there is a twitch in his right eyebrow. Twitch means full with jerk or quiver. Okay. His right eyebrow, it was quivering or it was pulling with jerk. But the worst of all this is the way I sleep. I no longer get into bed and begin to go up. When suddenly something in my left side gives a pull. Yeah, he has all these problems. Palpitation he has, trembling he has, and he has exciting nature, and he used to be upset, fully upset, and there is a twitch in his eyebrow. Along with all these things, he had another major problem, that was while sleeping time he used to get sudden pull his left side. See, I no sooner get into bed and begin to go up when he is about to sleep, when suddenly something in my left side gives a pull. Suddenly there will be a pulling, sudden pulling will be there in his left side. And I can feel it in my shoulder and head. He could feel that pull in his left shoulder and his head. I jump up like a lunatic. Then he jumps up like a lunatic. Lunatic means mad person or insane. Walk about a bit and lie down again. Then he walks a bit and lies down again. But as soon as I begin to get up to sleep, there is another pull. When he is about to close his eyes, about to get sleep, then again there will be a pull. And this may happen 20 times, like this, it continues. This may happen 20 times. It shows he has many physical problems. He was getting old, he has many physical problems. That's why it is right time for him to marry. Suppose if he can't marry now, in future it is impossible to marry. At that time, Natalia Stepanova comes in. He was thinking about all these things. He was thinking about all his negative qualities. At that time, Natalia Stepanova comes in. Well, there, it's you. And Papa said, go, there is a merchant came for his goods. How do you do, Ivan Vasilovich? She came and she said, Papa said, there is a merchant for his goods. I thought a merchant came, but now I am saying you. How do you do, Ivan Vasilovich? How are you, Ivan Vasilovich? Like this, Natalia asked Lomo. Then Lomo says, How do you do? Honored Natalia Stepanova. Yeah, I am fine. How are you? Like this, he asked. Natalia, you must excuse me. You must excuse my apron and neglect. We were shelling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Sit down. They seat themselves. Won't you have some lunch? Then Natalia asked excuse for wearing apron and neglect. See, you must excuse me. She asked excuse for apron. Apron means overcloth. And necklace. Necklace means a kind of a loose dress. We were shelling peas for drying. Actually, we were doing some work. We were shelling peas. Shelling means removing the upper cover or peeling. Okay. We were peeling peas for drying. That's why I am wearing this kind of dress. For this, I ask your sorry. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Then she asks him, why haven't you been here for such a long time? After that, she tells him to sit down. They seat themselves. Won't you have some lunch? Would you like to have some lunch? Like this, Natalia asks him. Lomo says, no thanks. I have had some already. He says, no thanks. I have had lunch already. Natalia, then smoke. Here the matches. Then Natalia tells him to smoke and she offers matchstick. The weather is splendid now, but yesterday it was wet. That the workmen didn't do anything all day. Then she talks about weather. The weather is splendid now. Splendid means fine now. But yesterday it was wet. But yesterday the weather was wet. Wet means rainy. That the workmen didn't do anything all day. Because of that wet weather, the workers didn't do anything all day. How much hay have you stacked? Then she asks him, how much hay have you stacked? Stacked means stored. Just think, I felt greedy and had a whole field cut. And now I am not at all pleased about it because I am afraid my hay may rot. And she says she felt greedy and had a whole field cut. She cut her whole field and now she is not happy about that because she is afraid that her hay may rot. They may destroy. Rain may come, her hay may destroy. About that she is worrying. I ought to have waited a bit. And she is thinking she ought to have waited a bit. She had to wait a little bit. But what's this? Why you are in evening dress? Well, I never. Are you going to a ball or what? Then she asks about his dress. Why are you in evening dress? Why are you in this formal dress? Well, I never. Well, I never means I never understand. Are you going to a ball or what? Are you going to a ball? Ball means dancing party. Are you going to a ball or something else? Though I must say you look better. Tell me, why are you got up like that? Yeah, you are looking better in this cloth. But Now tell me why you are wearing this kind of a formal dress. Lomo, excited. You see, honored Natalia Stepanova, the fact is, I have made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. Of course, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry, but A, aside, it's awfully cold. Then Lomo, excited. You see, honored Natalia Stepanova, the fact is, I have made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. I want to tell you something. You have to listen that. I have made up my mind to ask you to hear me out. Of course, you will be surprised, perhaps even angry. Hearing that matter, you will be surprised and perhaps even angry. You may become angry also. But A, after that, in the mind, he says, it's awfully cold. See here, we can understand this. Whenever he used to feel excited, he gets cold. Okay. That's why in mind only he says, it's awfully cold. Natalia, what's the matter? Pause. She stops for a moment. After that, well, you tell me that. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.